Good morning, children. Welcome to next session. Multiplication of a three-digit number by two-digit number by two-digit number. Before that one, we have to start little. Yesterday, I gave tricks about tricks, how to multiply the two-digit number by two-digit number, and it will help in your examination. That also I told. But somewhere little clarification I will give. Today we will solve another few examples here. The tricks, about tricks, not this one. This is apart from the syllabus, but I am giving the tricks and hints. That is called hints. Yesterday I told, when two numbers, if you multiply two-digit number by two-digit number, then within a fraction of a second, within a 10 second, we can solve the problems, which will help in our competitive examination. In most of the competitive examination, the same procedure they will follow, means they will give different numbers, but the tricks, whatever what you learn, that it will you can apply, and you can solve within fraction of a seconds, means within a 10 seconds you can solve. For example, what I told here, I will take 37 into 33. See here, children, in ones place, whatever numbers are there, don't worry about that whatever numbers are there, if you add these two numbers in ones place, if you add the numbers, then it become a 10. When it become a 10, when you will add these numbers, and in tens place, both the numbers are same, in that case you can apply these tricks. 37 plus 37 into 33. Okay, another few examples I'll take. Second one, 48 into 42. Here also in tens place, both the numbers are same, 4 4. In ones place, 8 and 2 are there, means if you add these two numbers, 8 plus 2, then it become a 10. In that case you have to apply these tricks. Two digit number by two digit number multiplication. Okay, another one example I'll take. For example, 56 into 54. Here also see here, 6 plus 4, if you add these in ones place, if you add these numbers, it become a 10. Here also 8 plus 2, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, and in tens place, if you look at the tens place, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. Another few examples I'll take. 71 61 into 68, 69, 61 into 69. In this case also 6 6. In tens place, both the numbers are same, and if you add this last unit place, in unit place if you add these 1 and 9, and it become a 10. 1 plus 9, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 4, 10. Like this. If like these problems will appear, in that case we have to apply this method, that whatever I told yesterday, that tricks, that method you have to apply. See what we have to apply, what method we have to apply, tricks what we have to apply. When both the numbers are, if you add, then it become a 10. That case we have to multiply unit place. Don't add that numbers, don't add and don't write them now. answer section, but you have to multiply these two numbers. 7 plus 3, multiply this. 7 into 3, 21. Okay, first part over. Now second, both the numbers are same, then we have to take next number. 3 is the next number. Whatever numbers are there, that next number what, which is the number 4, that you have to multiply. 3 into 4, 12. This is the answer. We got the answer. Yes, children, understood? Once again I'll repeat. If you add these numbers, then it become a 10, and both in tens place, both the numbers are same. In that case, directly you can solve the problem. How? You have to multiply this 7 into 3, write the answer here downside, and one number, any one number, either downside or upside, because both are same. Take that number, and next number of this number means 4. We have to multiply these numbers to 4 into 3, 12. We have to write answer. Now we got the answer direct. Okay, here also we can solve. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 2, 16. 4 is there. 4's next number, which is the next number? 5. Multiply these two numbers. 4 into 5, 20. Now we got the answer. Within a 10 second we can solve the problem like this problems. Most of the in competitive examination they will give this type question only. For multiplication they will give this type question only. We will solve another one example here, third one. So many tricks are there. For one problem, one tricks we have to apply. Here both the numbers are, first you have to observe that both the numbers are same in tens place, and if you add the in ones place, if you add the numbers, then it become a 10. In that case we have to apply this method. Okay, another one example I will take. 56 into 54. Here also see here 6 plus 4, if you add these numbers it become 10, and in tens place both the numbers are same, 5, 5. Then we have to apply this method, tricks. 6 4s are, multiply these two numbers and write answer. 6 4s are 24. Next 5 is there. 5's the next number. What is the number? 6. Multiply these numbers. 5 6 are 30. We got the answer. Yes or no, children? If you practice it little more, then it is very easy for competitive examination. You can solve any problem like this within a fraction of a seconds. Within a 10 seconds you can solve. Why? Because in competitive examination time is very precious. Okay, we will start with the next session. Okay, children, I hope you understood this one. Practice this. Take any numbers which are same in tens place and see that the numbers are same in if you add the numbers then it become a 10. In that case we can apply this method. Okay, now we will come to that your academic session. Multiplication of a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. First we will take first example, 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number 323 into 23. Same method you have to apply where you are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. How you applied, how you multiplied, that same method you have to apply. For example, if I erase this number, now see here, it become 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Yes or no, children? 2-digit number by 2-digit. And now what we have to do? Here we are multiplying this 3 into 3, 9, 3 to 6. Now we have to insert here. Now it become 3-digit. Same method you have to apply. Here you multiplied, and next you have to multiply this number. First ones place, tens place, then hundred place. Ones, tens and hundred. From right side to left side you are moving. You are multiplying from that right side to left side. 3 3s are 9. Simple. Over. Now this is over. Now what I told? Next tens place is that. So we are writing 0 here. Now we have to multiply these numbers. As usual, say from right side to left side we are moving. 3 to 6. 2 to we are multiplying this number. 2 to 4. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 2 3 6. Now we have to add these numbers. 9 plus 0, 9. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 9 plus 4 plus 1. You have to add all this. It becomes 14. 6 plus 0, upside nothing is there means 0, consider as a 0. 0 plus 6 plus 1 means 6 plus 1, 7. Now simple. As usual, what you are applying that method, that same method you have to apply. Nothing changes here. Whether it is a 3-digit or 4-digit, the same procedure you have to follow. Now I'll take another one example. Just copy these numbers and practice this. $424 into 22. First basic. Why I am taking step by step? Because to understand purpose we are taking basics, means step by step, slowly. Easy problems, then little difficult we are going upside. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 4s are 8 again. Plus sign or 0 you have to insert in next downside. In tens place 2 is there, again we have to multiply this. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Add these numbers. 8 plus 0, 8 by mistake. 4 plus 8, 12. Again 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. 8 plus 1, 9. Now this is we got the answer. Now another one example I will solve. $523 into 25, same as usual. 5 3s are 15, 1 I am taking downside. Okay, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26, plus sign or 0 we have to insert. Now next tens digit, tens place. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Add these numbers. 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 6, 7, 6 plus 4, 10, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 0, 1. Now this is the 3-digit number by 2-digit number. This way you can solve the problems. Okay, next tomorrow once again we will meet, and another few